present in the barrels. Okay, children? Did you all understand? Okay, see, children, up to now we discussed addition, subtraction, we discussed. The next basic operation is multiplication. In this multiplication operation, there are some properties. We can follow the properties in the multiplication. What are the properties of multiplication? If any 2 or 3 numbers are given, okay, we multiply the given numbers and we find the total. How to find the total? How to find the product? How to find the product? I explained by showing the actual multiplication. On large numbers, you did multiplication. Now you come here. Some properties are there in the multiplication. What is the first property? Numbers can be multiplied in any order. The product does not change. Okay. So for example, here, you take two numbers, 12 into 9, multiply. 12 9s are 102. In the just changing the order, take the numbers and multiply. 9 into 12. 9 12s are 100. Same only. That means order does not affect the product. Changing the order of numbers does not affect the product. That's why 12 into 9 is same as 9 into 12. So we write here 12 into 9 is same as 9 into 12. Okay. So this is the first property. Numbers can be multiplied in any order. The product does not change. Now come to this. What is the second property? When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. So in this property, let us take one example. Take one number, any number you can take. Suppose 245. Multiply this with 1. Then again the number itself here. That means 245 only. 245 ones are 245. So here the number is multiplied by the 1. Multiplied by the 1. Then the product is the number itself. That is the second example. Now come to third property. In the third property, when a number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Okay. Take one number and multiply it with 0. Then the product is 0 only. See, for any example you can take. Any one number you take. Suppose here 306. Multiply this with 0. Multiplied by 0. Then what we get? The product is 0. That means when a number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. 306 zeros are 0 only. That is the third property. Next, come to fourth one. When a number is multiplied by 10, put one zero after the number to get the product. Okay, we can take this as a property. Any number you can take and multiply with 10. Actual multiplication, you need not show actual multiplication. You need not show. Simply what we do? We keep 0 after the number. We keep 1 0. We keep only 1 0. Why? Because in the 10 only 1 0. That's why simply we keep 1 0 after the number. Then we get the product. For example, you see 792 takes multiply with 10. Then what is the product? After the number, keep 1 0. After the number, keep 1 0. So 792, after 792, we keep 1 0. That is the product. So 792 into 10 is equal to 7920. Now come to fifth problem. When a number is multiplied by 100, put 2 zeros after the number to get the product. So here, take one number, suppose 8340. Multiply this with 100. Multiply this with 100. So to find the product, what we do here, simply we keep 2 zeros after this number. In 100, 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros are there, 2 zeros are there. So to get the product, simply we keep 2 zeros after the number. Okay, children. So 8, 3, 4, 6. After this number, put 2 zeros. Okay, this is the product. This is the product. Like this. Now come to sixth point. Now this statement is generalized. What is then generalized? From all these examples, generally he mentioned a point in the sixth problem. What is that? When a number is multiplied by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, etc., put as many zeros at the end of the multiplicand as in the multiplier. If you multiply with 1000, then we keep 3 zeros after the number to get the product. If you multiply with 1 lakh, how many zeros we keep after the number? 5 zeros, because in 1 lakh 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. So we keep 5 zeros after the number. That's why he mentioned this point. When a number is multiplied by 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, put as many zeros at the end of the multiplicand as in the multiplier. As in the multiplier. Okay, children. So for this one big example we can take. Suppose 2758. It is to be multiplied by 1 lakh. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. So at the side of this number, 2758, this is the number now. After this number, how many zeros we keep here? 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros we keep. This is the product. Like this, in the multiplier, how many zeros are there? We see that much of zeros we keep. Okay, at the end, after this number, to get the product. Okay, children, you understood all these properties. 6 properties I explained by giving the examples. Okay, children. Here, multiply all the digits of the first number with 8. Next, multiply with 6. And next, multiply with 4. So, first of all, with 8 we are multiplying. 8 9s are 72. 2. Right line. 8 9s are 30. Next, 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. 4 8s are 30. Now, multiply with 6. Multiply all the digits of the first number with 6. So here, 6 9s are 54. And here, 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. And multiply 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24. Write 2 here. Write 4. Okay. Once again see 9 6 are 54. 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. And 4 6 are 24. Now multiply all the digits with 4. 4 9s are how much here? 36. So here write 3, here 6. And multiply here. Okay now. Now 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 can be written as 0 8. That's why here 0 right and here 2 4s are 8. Next 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Once again see here 9 4s are 36. 2 4s are 8. 4 4s are 16. And in each and every box we show the diagonal. We show the diagonal. Here you see, here like this diagonal. You can draw the diagonal. And you can draw the diagonal continuously also. Like this. Diagonal. This is called the diagonal. Okay, children. Like this. Right? And here also you can show the diagonal like this. And here also you can show the diagonal. And here you see, you show the diagonal like this. And here also you can show the diagonal. Other children, this is diagonal. Like this here, diagonal. Here one diagonal. Here one diagonal. Here one diagonal. Diagonally, here each box is diagonally. Now, come to here, ones place. Well, 429 is multiplied by 864. Okay, we get a 6 in the ones place. We get 6 in the ones place. Here you see, when 429 is multiplied by 864, 864, 429 into 864. Then here how much 4 9s are 36. 6 you are getting now. 4 9s are 36. That's why here 6 you are getting in the ones place. That's why here ones place is filled by 6. Ones place is filled by 6. Okay, students. That's why here 6. Next. In the table you see 1 6. Now come to tens place. What are the tens digits here? What are the tens digits here? 4 3 8. What are the tens digits? 4 3 8. See children. 4 3 8. Okay. Now that is a diagonal. In this diagonal, tens digits 4 3 8. Add 4 3 8. Add 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. So we strike off 5 in the tens place. 5 we write in the tens place. Here 1 is to be carried. 1 is to be carried to the hundredths place. 1 is to be carried to the hundredths place. What are the here 100 plus digits? What are the 100 plus digits? You see 2, 5, 2, 0. See 2, 5, 2, 0. 2, 5, 2, 0, 6. 2, 5, 2, 0, 6. Here 1 is a carried. 1 is a carried. Now add 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. That's why we write 6 in the here hundredths place. We write 6. And 1 is there now. That 1 is to be carried to the thousandths place. 1 is to be carried to the thousandths place. Now what are the digits in the thousandths place? You see now this diagonal is 7, 6, 1, 4, 1. See 7, 6, 7, 6, 1, 4, 1. 7, 6, 1, 4, 1. And 1 is the carried. 1 is the carried. That's why this is here. Last one is carried. Now add 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. That's why we write 0 in the thousandths place. 0 in the thousandths place. And this 2 is to be carried. 2 is to be carried to the 10,000th place. To the 10,000th place. Okay. What is the next? Now we go to the next diagram. That means here. What are the digits in 10,000 here? 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. How much? 1, 2, 2. And this 2 is carried now. That's why the carried digit we write here plus. Now add 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is the single digit now. So that 7 we write in the 10,000. Okay, now come to last. Last place is what here? Last place is what here? Lakhs place. Lakhs place what is there here? 3 is there. So that we write in the lakhs place. That we write in the lakhs place. Okay, children. So 429 into 864 is equal to 370,656. That means 3,70,656. Okay, children. Once again, I will explain this. Listen carefully. In multiplying the two numbers, what we get? 4 9s are 36. 6 we are getting. 4 9s are 36. Now 6 here. 3 is there. 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11. 1 is there. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. 6 9s are 54. 4 5 is there. 6 2s are 12 plus 5, 17. 7 1 is there. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. Now multiply with 8. This is actual multiplication. 8 9s are 72. 2 7 is there. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7. How much? 23. Okay. 3 2 is there. Here 6 4s are 24 plus 2, 20. Okay, 8 9s are 72. 2 7 is there. 8 2s are 16 plus 7. How much? 16 plus 7? 23. 3 2 is there. 8 4s are 32 plus 2, 34. Here 34. Add 6. 4 plus 1, 5. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 2, 16. 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 370,656. 370,656. This is actual multiplication. What is this? Actual multiplication. Now, this is what lattice procedure. In the lattice procedure, what we are doing? In the ones place we are writing 6. See, ones place. What is the ones place? It is 6. That 6 we write first. This is 6 we write first. Come to Diagonal. What is the diagonal? This is the diagonal. This is the diagonal. A diagonal digits we take. That means 10 digits. 8, 3, 4. See, 8, 3, 4. Add. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 8, 15. So write 5 here. 1 is to be carried here. 1 is to be carried. This is carried. That is a carried. Now take the next diagonal digits. What are the next diagonal digits? See, that means here 2, 5, 2, 0, 6. 2, 5, 2, 0, 6. Like this diagonal. 2, 5, 2, 0, 6. Plus 1 is carried at all, no? That's why add. 16 you got. 6 right here in the 100 place. 1 is carried here. 1 is carried here. Now thousands place. Come to next diagonal. Next diagonal means what here? Thousands means this is the next diagonal. Diagonal is this. That means 7, 6, 1, 4, 1. 7, 6, 1, 4, 1. This is 1 is carried. 1 is that carried number. Now add 20 you got. How much you got? 20. So write 0 in the thousands place. And the next what is that? 2 is there now. That 2 should be carried to the next place. That will 10,000. Now come to this diagonal. What are the digits in the 10,000? That means this diagonal. You take this diagonal. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. And this 2 is carried. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 7. So we write 7 here. Next we go to the last one. What is the last one here? 3. The last plus 3. The 3 as it is. So this is the product of the two numbers. What is this? Lattice method. This is a square grid. 3 by 3. 3 by 3 square grid. The same procedure we can follow to the other numbers also. In the same procedure. Okay, children, first number we write here horizontally, second number we write here vertically. After the same procedure, we can follow. Okay, children, next we can go to the some properties. Okay, division properties are there. I will explain.